Hi there, this is Trail Rider 570 coming at you with another video. We got the FJ Cruiser here, and we got looking at tires and wheels, and so I thought I'd bite the bullet. We're going to change them out. So I ordered these up from their INJORA. I got the white spoke rims still going to keep them. So we're going to be installing these on the FJ Cruiser. Then these wheels I got plans for them. So we'll get back with you at the few after I get everything opened up. Okay guys, what we got to do, yes, these are a bigger tire. I thought they would work better on it, fill it in better. And these are an offset wheel, so we'll see how they work. It was one of them deals that couldn't very well, turn down. So okay, these are directional, so this will be the wheel for there. We're going to put the metal insert in it. Then we'll put the wheel on. May sound gross, but I usually lick them. Everybody likes these, so this helps them goes in. And see how they work out. Okay. Okay, now then we put this in there. Put up the little daylight here and line up our holes. Put our screws. I'm going to build one on the camera, then I'll do the other off because they all build the same. Basically I line up all the holes and the spokes, make sure your spokes are all lined up, then put them together. So them are acorns falling out of the trees on the roof. And also, I'm putting this out there, my FJ Cruiser here, they use a dog bone on the back of what would be the transmission on this, and in a cup. Well, that cup is wearing really bad. I've been trying for, I am an affiliate of theirs, but I've been trying to get a hold of them and message them about, what they're going to do about it. Are they going to send me another, to order it from them, it was $28 to order the cup. So what I did for the time being is I went to Amazon and I found basically the same ones for $10 for 6 of them. So, but I want to put a CVD drive shaft in it if I can find one. So if anybody out there knows anything about these and having the same issues, please comment below this video, and it would help me out, because then I can figure out what I got to do. But I will show you something cool here. I'll put one on. This should be about the same size or just slightly bigger than what was on it. They give you long screws to build these, but I don't know. I never had no issues. You know how to do it. These tires too are really sticky and soft, so that's what they look like. Then what we do is I got a special adapter in here in this kit that goes on here. And what this adapter does, because this has the fake, looks like four-wheel drive hub. Take this off. Spin that off. This doesn't have a nut. That is a nut. Then we take that off. Pull the wheel off. And there's the wheels off it. Washer. Okay, now, whoops. Need that hex stuck in the wheel. There we go. Put our make sure you got the hex on it. Put our wheel on. Yeah, I think that looks a lot better. Looks more scale, realistic, you know. So let's see if it tightens up. I took a washer off. I may have to put the washer back on. We'll see. These wheels got an offset, so the tires are going to stick out a little bit. Going to stick out a little bit more than normal. See there? Okay, I got to have a washer. Excuse me. I got a washer here for it. It's right here. Washer on it. Put our fake hub on. Then we'll go ahead and tighten her down. If I'd known these wheels are out there, I'd have bought these originally. I was just looking for something that would fit it, so it look more scale. There he is. He tightened right up with the washer. There it is. There's one done. 4 to go. So I'll go ahead and build these, and I'll get back with you guys after they're all done. Well, as far as I'm concerned, INJORA has done it again. I mean, these tires are so sticky. I've already put the other ones on it. I just gotta put this on, and we'll, like I say, this uses, I got fancy wheel nuts on this one. So I have 2 different kind of adapters I use to put the wheels on and off. You can get these adapters from Amazon as well. The wheels were special from Amazon. They were, I don't know, like 51 bucks. But just like that, they're on. They give you plenty of screws. The longer screws, if they give you longer ones in these kits, them are to help you put the wheels together. You know, to help suck them together to where you can get the shorter ones on, and then you take them off. So what I do is I throw them in here and I keep them right with a whoop. These little boxes, all this stuff is Amazon. You can get from Amazon. So this goes in here, the wheel wrench goes in here just like that, and boom, keep everything right with me. But what I'll do is we'll change the angle here, and I'll give you a shot of it. We got limited light here, but you can see how now the wheels are just about right, I think. There you go. These are INJORA wheels and tires. These are, I saw it on here. They give you a size actually somewhere here. There it is, 480 by 1.40 by 1.6 by 6.5 by 1.9. That 1.9 obviously is a rim. So we'll set her on the ground here a minute. Get weight on the tires, see what it looks like getting it off my carousel here. Like that. I'm sorry, sitting there looking at the wall. Carousel out of the way here. Let's see, this thing is so big, it takes up so much room. There we go. There we go. What do you think, guys? Leave a comment in the chat. Yes or no? Because I changed the shocks. Now it fills in the wheel holes better, I think. And they fit the truck better, and they're an offset rim, and you can see they kind of stick out a little bit, but that's okay. This is a trail machine, and they're kind of a medium foam. That's the other issue with the other foam, but you can see them kind of squatting there. The other tires were too soft, so they're right here. I got a home I'm going to put them on. I already took my other set of tires, and I'll show you where they went. There they are. They're in my red cap. So these tires here, I think I'll put on my Grando down there, or I may put on here. I'm thinking Grando, because that's old school. That's the way that truck would have done it back then. So I'm a pirate. Our next video, I got a bag of stuff. I got this little box. I got some nice brass here, weights. We got some shocks here. In our next video, we are going to be installing these shocks on the little right here. All that's going to go under the wheel weights, the shocks, and everything. That will be the next video that I'm going to be putting out. So, like I say, I pulled these all off and changed them out with these tires. Now I think it looks a whole lot better. It looks, and I emptied out the top. I noticed I put a lot of stuff in the back end of it. I took a lot of this stuff off the top because to me it was kind of top heavy, but now we widened it and everything else, so it should be good. You can see the clearance we got. So she's cool. My guy's in there, he's kind of leaning. I gotta talk to him to have him sit upright in here. He's supposed to be shifting gears and driving, but half the time he just likes to just ride and look around. So there we go. There we go. All right. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I could have sat here and done a whole video. I've seen them do where the guy is building all four wheels for you and all that. They're basically easy to build. So thanks a lot for watching. And as always, Trail Rider 570 saying goodbye, God bless, and I will see you in my next video.